Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to archive Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. At first, open Google Classroom and find the class you would like to archive. Click on the three dots and click on Archive. Okay, there you go. You can access archived classes by clicking here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.